Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Yesterday we performed a roof replacement and we changed the gutters and downspouts in Arlington, Virginia. The type of shingle we installed was called GAF Timberline HD and the color is pewter gray. Now when you look at this pipe flange, it's different than the standard pipe flange that most roofers use. Most roofers use an aluminum pipe flange and there's a rubber collar that goes around the pipe, and that collar deteriorates after about 10 years. So even if the new roof was installed perfectly, they would have a leak because of that pipe flange. So instead we use the Easy Sleeve. It's a lifetime warranty pipe flange. Now I wanted to show you something. You know, the installation, everything has to be done perfectly, because if it's not done right the first time, the home can develop leaks. Now take a look at the property. There is no damage anywhere whatsoever. Everything is protected. Also, we had a dump truck right here on the driveway, so most of the debris that we ripped off, we carried it right over the front and dumped it into the dump truck. But as a precautionary measure, we installed tarps over these areas as well. Now, once the property is fully clean, then the men walk around with large magnets to sweep the grounds of any loose nails, screws, or staples. And here you can see there's no debris on top of the air conditioner unit. There's nothing here on the ground anywhere. The grill was moved off to the side. The gutters are pitched perfectly. It's lifted up high here, and it slowly but surely drops down to where the downspout is. See, there's no damage here whatsoever. For me personally, the cleanup property and protecting the property from damage is just as important as the roof installation itself. Also, there's another pipe flange over here, the Easy Sleeve that we installed. Also, they had two 750 vents that installed connected to the fans inside the bathroom, and they had condensation leaks. So we replaced them with gooseneck vents. So those leaks are now in the past. Yeah, I'm very, very happy. Everything is done perfectly. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in Arlington and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.